Hi there, this is my first video ever, and I might have to compete with the beautiful bird song. I'm out in the garden. It's quite dark in the house, so I thought I'd try to do it out here. I bought a Blythe doll, factory Blythe, on Aliexpress. It came about a week ago, and I've already opened it because I want to show it to my mum. And but I paid a pretty good price. I paid about 28 Canadian with shipping. I thought that was pretty good. It only took like 3 weeks to come. So what I'll do is I'll put the information, I'll try to put the information at the bottom, and in case you're like interested. I thought it was a pretty good price. Anyway, here she is. She's very pretty. There she is. She's got very beautiful pink hair. And many of you know with Blythe doll, she's very articulated. I put a little piece of fabric around her so there's no nudity. We don't want that. Woo! And let me see if I could find her string. There we go. There's a string, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I bought her because I love dolls, like many others. I love dolls, and I just thought it'd be fun to try to make doll clothes for her. There's a couple of other dolls I would like from Aliexpress eventually when I can afford it, but I got her first. And what can I say? She came in a nice little box. It's kind of a peachy, nice peach kind of box with the plastic. And there was a wrapper, but it blew away. It got a bit windy. So if you're interested in buying one that's quite cheap, I looked and looked and looked until I could find one that I could, that I thought was a good price. And I feel like 28 with shipping is pretty good coming to Canada. And I don't know how much that would be in American. Yeah, so I'll try to put the link down below, and thanks for watching. This is my first video. I've been trying to do this. At one point my phone fell and everything else, and hopefully I'll improve and maybe do some more videos, different things. I like to sew, I like to crochet, and I love making dolls. So hopefully you'll join me again. Anyway, but thank you. Okay, bye.